It was a quiet night in Stephenville, Texas, January 8, 2008. Little did the residents know, that night would forever change the way they viewed the skies above them. Around 6:30 p.m., a group of locals spotted something unusual above the horizon. But this wasn't just a strange light in the sky, it was something much more unsettling. Jason, a local resident, recalls the moment vividly. "I was out here just taking a break after a long day of work, when I saw it, this huge, bright light. It wasn't like anything I'd seen before. It moved silently across the sky, and it was far too big to be a plane." At first he thought it was a plane, but then it made a sharp turn. No plane does that. And Jason wasn't alone. Karen, Chad, and Sam were standing on the side of a road looking up in disbelief. Karen described it as a whole series of lights, like they were part of something bigger. The lights just hovered there for a while, moving slowly across the sky. Chad added, "Yeah, it was like they were watching us. They'd move in unison, then break apart, and then come back together. I've never seen anything like it." As reports flooded in from across the region, with more than 50 people coming forward claiming to have seen the mysterious lights, the military was quick to dismiss the sightings. They stated it was likely just a military exercise, but locals weren't convinced. When asked if there were any military aircraft in the area that night, a military official replied, "We can't discuss ongoing operations, but I can assure you there was nothing out of the ordinary." Yet the locals knew better. Jason, Karen, and Chad, back in their homes, were still visibly shaken. Jason admitted, "It's been years, and I still can't explain what I saw. I've heard the official stories, but I know what I saw, and I know I wasn't the only one." Karen tried to forget it, but the more she thought about it, the more she was convinced. It wasn't from here. Chad was adamant, whatever it was, it's not just some military test. It was too advanced, too controlled. There's no way we have anything like that. To this day, the Stephenville UFO sighting remains one of the most mysterious and widely discussed events in UFO history. What the residents of this small Texas town saw that night remains a mystery. But one thing is clear, they were not alone. The truth is out there.